Welcome to episode 4 of Stay Healthy While Studying, where we do short Pilates-inspired workouts to make sure you're not only well educated but also well fit. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start our workout. First of all, we're gonna need some equipment. I'm gonna use the massage balls, but if you don't have these, you can use the folded socks. Like this. We're gonna start with our hands in the lock like this, and we're gonna round and open our chest. Exhale, round in the chest, moving the lock from you, and inhale, opening the chest, trying to move your chest up, round the chest. Open and round. Exhale. Inhale, open the chest, move it up. Exhale. And the last one. Inhale, opening the chest up, and exhale. All right. The next movement, we're gonna grab with our left hand our upper trap, like this, squeeze it, like 5 out of 10. And we're gonna move our shoulder blade up. Inhale, exhale, shoulder blade down. Inhale, shoulder blade up. Exhale, shoulder blade down. Make sure you're squeezing the upper trap quite hard. Up, down, up, down. Oh, if it's a little bit slippery, it's fine. You can grab it again. Up, down, up, down. And the last one, up, down. So next, while squeezing the upper trap, we're gonna tilt our head left, like this. Make sure you're not moving your shoulder to your ear, but instead you're aiming to direct your right ear to the ceiling, like this. All right, so remember, we're squeezing the upper trap and we're tilting our head the opposite side, while aiming with our ear to the ceiling. Let's start. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Up and back. Ear up. And make sure you're breathing while you're doing that. Ear up and back. And the last one. Up and back. All right, we're gonna do the same thing for the left hand side. We're gonna squeeze our upper trap with the right hand, and we're gonna move our shoulder blade up and down while squeezing the upper trap. Up, up and down. Don't forget to breathe. Up and down. And you know the drill, we're gonna tilt our head to the right hand side while squeezing the upper trap. Tilt and back. Tilt and back. Remember, we aim with our left ear to the ceiling. Back, tilt, and back. And the last one, tilt and back. All right, so now we're gonna need our folded socks. So I'm just gonna show you how you can use them. We're gonna put them just next to our glutes. So we're kind of working multiple parts of our body at the same time because we don't have much time, but we are eager to be healthy and fit. Yeah, so you can do it like this. I'm just gonna use the massage balls because it's more convenient for me. But the effect whether you use the massage balls or the folded socks, it's pretty much the same. So we're just gonna sit like this and extend your left or right arm, it doesn't matter. And we're gonna work with our eyes. So start drawing like a small circle and follow your thumb with your eyes. We're starting to draw a small circle like a €1 coin, and slowly draw a bigger circle like a spiral. And slowly the spiral gets bigger and bigger, and you're still following it with your eyes. Don't forget to breathe while you're doing that. Okay, we're moving the circle bigger and bigger and bigger. All right. Don't make it that big that you don't see it with your peripheral vision. It should be big enough, but still visible to your eyes. And also make sure you're not moving your head. You can hold your chin in order to control it a bit more. All right. Slowly, we're gonna do it the opposite way. From big spiral, slowly to the small one. Okay. And going back to the €1 coin. Done. All right. So now we're gonna extend both of our arms. Doesn't matter whether the right arm up, the left arm down. Make sure you can still see both thumbs with your peripheral vision. And we're gonna follow with our eyes the thumbs up and down, up and down. Okay, follow me. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. All right, how are you feeling? Ready? So we're gonna extend our arms right and left side, and we're gonna do the same thing, but now left, right, or right, left, whatever you prefer. Okay, I'm just gonna tell you side, 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 so you're not confused. Again, make sure you're not moving your head, and you also have your arms well extended enough, but still visible with your peripheral vision. Okay, let's begin. Side, 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 side. Okay, good. And also you can kind of wrap your hands a little bit so it's warm and nice, and you can put it to your eyes to relax them a little bit. Okay. Inhale, exhale. Okay, let's take our left arm and we're gonna put it opposing our right knee, and we're gonna do the side bends. All right, extend your right arm, and while giving pressure to your knee, and your knee gives the pressure to your left arm, we're gonna tilt. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, opening the ribs from the right side. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Make sure you're kind of opening it as a rainbow, not shifting like this, but equally extending each rib like this. Inhale, exhale. The last one, inhale, exhale. Okay, let's do the other side. Again, right arm opposite the left knee, giving the pressure, extending the left arm and bending. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. This is it. I hope you're feeling much better and see you in the next episode.